Time for another GameSpot news update. I'm Chris Waters. Rockstar Games recently confirmed that Grand Theft Auto V will launch during spring 2013 for the Xbox 360 and PlayStation 3, but did not mention any other platforms. However, Rockstar Games co-founder Dan Houser told IGN that Wii U and PC versions have not been ruled out. Everything else is up for consideration, Houser said. That's all I can give you. We are a third-party publisher. We're not Nintendo, we're not Sony, we're not Microsoft. We love all of them in different ways. But we can do what we want wherever there's the appropriate business opportunity and the chance to find a market. If that's on Apple, we put something on Apple, wherever it might be. I think that's the fun in what we do. We see ourselves as a content company that uses technology. We don't make it, we use it to make the most fun stuff. For more on GTA 5, subscribe to GameSpot on YouTube and check us out on GameSpot.com.